Now, just because I'm short and have a ginger beard and I'm Irish does not mean I'm a leprechaun.
I think of all of Killarney National Park, this is my favourite spot.
I think of all that we've done of Ireland, this is my favourite spot. Howdly doodly, everybody.
Good morning. So we're just back from breakfast and we've just packed up to check out. Well, really enjoyed the stay in this hotel, but it was pretty quick. And now we are going to head and do more of Killarney National Park, which we're really excited about.
Let's go.
So our first stop today is to Muckross House in Killarney National Park, and as beautiful as the house looks, the scenery is just fab. The clouds are starting to lift so you can start to see the mountains, and we're just going to walk down to Muckross Lake here and see what that's like. You can do a tour inside the house, but we're just going to have a little walk around because it's so nice out today.
We got a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it.
This is it. Okay. Fair. So I honestly feel like I'm in like a national park in Canada or America, or the mountains surrounding the lakes is just, it's actually beautiful. It reminds me of being in Vancouver. Amazing. You can see why people think this is the most beautiful county in Ireland. So just leaving Muckross House now and we are off to Torc Waterfall. So Muckross House is pretty beautiful. There's like a traditional farm, there is a what do you call that?
Pony rides.
Pony rides around the national park. There is a garden centre, but for us, the scenery again, it's just the lake and the house. Yeah.
Lee, what you do?
Sat down in the mud. It's not funny. I look like I shit myself.
How do you do it, Marguerite?
We have just parked up at Ladies View, which is the next stop along the Killarney National Park. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Have a look at this.
It's like something out of Jurassic Park.
Yeah. I'm actually tearing up. Like, actually, it's beautiful. Have a look. See, they are real.
Now, just because I'm short and have a ginger beard and I'm Irish does not mean I'm a leprechaun.
Do a little jump there.
Diddly idly diddly idly. No.
I think of all of Killarney National Park, this is my favourite spot.
I think of all that we've done of Ireland, this is my favourite spot.
That's true, yeah, yeah. that too. But yeah, definitely take a stop off at Ladies Gap. Oh my god, I'm just in awe.
Ladies View, is it not?
Yes, it is Ladies View because we're going to Malls Gap next.
Stupid.
Oh no, see you there. Just saw a sign for a place where you can go adopt a sheep and I really want to do it.
Here it is, right here.
Can we do it?
Oh, where are you going to put sheep, Lou?
I'll make it
Where are you going to put sheep?
in your back garden.
No, my ma would absolutely have a conniption.
We'll make it, I'll look after them.
Farmer's closed now.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else.
We just pulled up at Malls Gap. Left Ladies View, which was just wow. Came to Malls Gap. Lovely view, but we probably should have done this first because now I'm kind of let down. It's still beautiful, but I don't think that's going to top Ladies View, and it's kind of upsetting. I wish we could have done that last. This is cracking, that. The mountains in the backdrop with the mist coming over and it looks real kind of prehistoric. It's class.
So we've just left the Killarney National Park. Amazing. Like, honestly, so far for me, it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to in Ireland.
It's absolutely a must do if you're coming anywhere near Kerry.
Without a doubt. Like, there is an awful lot more to see. There's places we probably did miss. The Black Valley, the other end of the Gap of Dunlow. But from what we saw, it's
Wow.
absolutely unbelievable. You could definitely give yourself like
2 days to do.
or like a full day. Like, we only done the evening yesterday and this morning. But no, you could definitely give yourself a full day in Killarney National Park, and then
probably more as well. Like,
and then again, we didn't actually see much of Killarney itself, so you could, you know, would definitely give that more time. The Killarney town, we kind of stayed a little bit outside it, so we didn't really get to go in. There is a lot of places you can you know, go for food and drinks. At the moment, obviously, it's a bit
ropey, but
ropey. You can't really just go in for a drink places or into places for drinks.
the book a lot of the time.
J.M. Reedy's is meant to be great. I was given that tip by my friend Stacey. Thanks, Stacey, but we didn't get to go. So yeah, you should definitely check it out if you're in Killarney. But for now, we are just about to head off on the rest of the Ring of Kerry, which I'm really excited about.
Can't wait for it.
Yeah.
But that's for next week.
Yep, that is going to be in next week's video.
So until then, like, subscribe, and hit the ding bell.
And you will be notified for a Ring of Kerry video. And we'll see you
Let's
then.
go.
Bye.
Peace. Well,
I'm sorry, but
it's better to give some more.
better than just more. Hello.
Doodly doodly.